It smells. Okay, put it up there. Alright. And now we're gonna put it in the microwave and melt it down.
Hope it doesn't explode.
Yeah, it's probably really hot. Oh my god, it smells.
Can I see it?
No, I'll get it in a second, bud. Wait a minute. Wow. Ooh.
Well guys, we know our answer. Melting a gummy controller will definitely turn it to slime.
Your controller is melted.
What else can we do with the stuff? Wait, I know! Let's put it in the freezer and turn it into ice cubes!
I know it.
Close the fridge, bud.
2 hours later.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, are you trying to break it?
It's like
Stuck in there. It's down so loud.
I know.
Because it's frozen. I think we have to get a knife.
Something. Let's see.
Oh my gosh. My gosh, it's not even coming out. Break. This one takes ages to break.
Ages. I thought maybe by making them kind of like ice cubes.
But it's not.
No.
We were trying to...
Plan B. Since we can't get the ice cubes out, we're gonna just smash the heck out of it. It's gonna make me feel so much better. Really? Yeah, go ahead, slam it. Throw it. Nothing. Hi, Anna. I can see you.
Daddy, I wish we could eat these.
There you go. Yeah. Boys are gonna pay for that. Ow. Yeah! Yeah! Gummy controller. Last one. $8 Gummy controller. Oh! Goodbye. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Where you going?
Hey! Anyone still here? Wow! Thought you'd be halfway to Trinity and Beyond's channel by now. But anyway, thanks for sticking around and watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. We got a lot more videos coming. We're gonna try to get them out once a week. So subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when I put a video out. Love you. Have a great day. And remember, you're not living unless you're having all kinds of fun. Now stop watching YouTube and do your homework.